Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing another topic that is city creation. In city creation, basically we are discussing another topic that is India account. In India account, basically currently we are discussing three topics that is SBI account and up to what level the SBI group will go. Basically, if you do any damage of SBI, they enters your house and basically they damage your body parts, or basically they basically what up to what level this group basically do. And another point is Amazon, and up to what level the Amazon basically has got the power. And after 2 days, the big earthquake basically is going to come to India. And how basically the Parliament House basically group basically controls this situation basically, because current assume that basically it's going to come to Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. So how these two group basically diverts the earthquake to some other states, and Uttar Pradesh means Ram Mandir temple, and they have the Delhi government has created the Ram temple at the exact time only basically. So how they are going to divert the earthquake from Uttar Pradesh, and how the Delhi groups are going to divert the earthquake from Delhi to some other state, that is Gujarat. Why Gujarat? Because Narendra Damodar Modi is from Gujarat. So mostly he is going to shift the earthquake to Gujarat only basically. Few people says that the earthquake basically will shift to Kerala. Few people says that basically the earthquake basically might shift to Karnataka. Few people says that the earthquake basically might shift to Himachal Pradesh. Few people says that the earthquake basically might shift to Jammu Kashmir. Few people says that the earthquake basically might shift to Uttarakhand. So like this, few people says that it Odisha basically. Few people says that it might be West Bengal also basically. Why? Because it's Narendra Modi's group basically. So everything is connected with Uttar Pradesh. Now here basically few people say that Uttar Pradesh are very powerful. They can shift the earthquake location from Himachal or basically the Himalaya from their place to Gujarat also basically. And it might possible they might shift to Maharashtra also. Why? Because Ram Mandir railway station has created in Mumbai city basically. So Mumbai is telling that basically we are ready to give our entire Mumbai on the name of Ram Mandir temple, because they have created the Ram Mandir railway station also basically. So assume that basically the earthquake point is Uttar Pradesh. Now basically Uttar Pradesh group basically are everywhere basically in the across the world. They are in Delhi, they are in Vadodara, they basically are in Surat, they basically are in Gujarat, they basically are in Madhya Pradesh, they basically are in Bangalore. So here basically I'm taking example of Uttar Pradesh basically. In really basically it can be Karnataka, it can be Kerala. Because earthquake basically when the process basically happens of 55 country basically, it might possible that it shift to some any of the country basically. And mostly basically the data basically where the earthquake basically data are shifted, that is basically the mountain area. And India basically the mountain areas are Himalaya. And near Himalaya basically which all are the states are, that is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Delhi and Himachal Pradesh also. And in Gujarat basically there is no big mountain basically, where basically the earthquake data can be shift, that is unstable data. So how UP people basically are across the world basically, they are going to shift their earthquake data to other states basically. In this basically mostly possible it is Gujarat basically. Why? Because in Gujarat lots of big Uttar Pradesh people basically are staying, big Madhya Pradesh people basically are staying, big Bihari people basically are staying. So mostly they will shift the earthquake of Uttar Pradesh, that is basically the Ram Mandir temple basically, which they have to save basically, That data basically they can shift to Gujarat. And in Gujarat basically, that means the few Gujaratis basically told that basically we are basically not the human basically. We basically will give everything basically on the name of Ram Mandir temple to Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. Because all are one na basically, that's why. Entire north is one, that's why. And the UP people basically are so powerful that basically they have taken Punjab also into that basically. Because they have done lots of help in Punjab. But Punjab basically will never give their state basically on the name of earthquake. So here the question is where basically the earthquake data is going to shift. That basically is the question basically. And that's very dangerous question basically. Because if in Uttar Pradesh basically the earthquake, big earthquake will happen, that basically is going to affect to entire Ram Mandir temple. And that is basically the Yogi Adityanath. How basically he is going to shift? Because there his people basically are across the Gujarat basically. So mostly it might possible that he will tell basically his people who are basically staying in Gujarat, shift the earthquake of Uttar Pradesh to Gujarat. And here basically Gujarat basically are everybody knows basically. In Uttar Pradesh basically very powerful Uttar Pradesh people basically are staying in Vadodara also. Guptas are there, Sharmas are there. They basically can shift the entire earthquake to Gujarat also basically. And this group basically can't do anything also basically. Few people says basically with their character from that basically need to check. And lots of people says that Narendra Damodar Modi Godh city basically, that is Varanasi, that is Uttar Pradesh. So he will save his city basically and might sacrifice Gujarat also. That possible basically, whether it is correct, that basically need to check basically. Because big earthquake basically, if might basically possible that it can come after 2 days, then basically what you will do? Lots of people say that yeah, Gandhinagar, in Gandhinagar basically if it will end basically, then the entire software industry will get end. If Ahmedabad will get end, then basically the entire IT industry will get end. If Vadodara city will get end, then the big ONGC is there, GSFC is there, IPCL is there, IOC is there. This all will end basically. And there are many areas in Gorwa basically which are most sensitive. Basically, small earthquake will happen, the entire Gujarat, the entire Vadodara city will end basically. So all basically people started coming out basically. So we can't basically give the our Vadodara city on the name of Uttar Pradesh. I'm just telling as an example, basically, really basically it can be Uttar Pradesh, but mostly basically if earthquake, big earthquake will come, that will be near around mountain. And in mountain basically that is Himalaya mountain only. And near Himalaya mountain it is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Delhi. They are coming. And near around Haryana is also there. So now basically few people told, the Uttar Pradesh people basically started telling that basically you have you basically have given us a Ram Mandir temple, and all people basically has basically told that Jai Shri Ram also. So on the name of Jai Shri Ram basically you can't give this much sacrifice. We want to save our Uttar Pradesh. So on the name of saving the Uttar Pradesh, you can't basically give your entire Gujarat. You basically can't give your entire Kerala. You can't give our entire Karnataka. You can't give entire Punjab. You can't give entire Jammu Kashmir. And Jammu Kashmir groups are basically Kattar Hindu basically. They will say that basically we basically will can't give, and they basically will say that Bhagao UP Bihar Madhya Pradesh ko, because Kashmiri groups are basically Kattar Hindu basically. Sorry, not Kattar Muslims. Here basically I had taken the example of Uttar Pradesh. Why Uttar Pradesh? Because earthquake basically when the data is going to dump basically, that will be the Himalaya mountain only. From there the point of earthquake will going to generate some big earthquake. And that will be the state basically which is going to get big damage. That will be UP, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh, and near around state will be the Delhi. And shifting procedure is there basically. It's the open procedure basically. So you can shift that earthquake to any of the states also. So one of the person told that where basically UP, Bihar are basically people staying and Madhya Pradesh people are staying. So few people told that basically they are staying in Vadodara city. Big people basically are staying in Vadodara city. So they started telling that basically we basically can give entire Gujarat also basically. And Gujaratis basically told that basically these people are our mehman and we can't tell anything to this mehman. Possible is there, possibilities are basically there, but that will not work. Why? Because the entire IT industry basically is in Gandhinagar basically. Big gas company, energy companies, GSFC, ONGC, IPCL, IOC are in Vadodara city, and there are basically many energy companies basically. If that will get earthquake, then entire Vadodara city will just end within 1 second basically. I am telling you, within 1 second basically. You can't believe it basically. If earthquake will happen in Vadodara city on the name of this state. Few people say that basically we have purchased the entire Vadodara city also. So they have purchased the entire Vadodara city on the name of this. That we will give entire Gujarat on the name of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Delhi. So people say that basically money basically can do anything basically. So they might have purchased the entire Gujarat also. And they will say that basically to save our Uttar Pradesh we will give entire Gujarat because Narendra Modi is our friend basically. And he is giving proof also that basically we are friend of Uttar Pradesh. We will give entire our Gujarati caste also basically on the name of Uttar Pradesh. So you can just imagine basically the situation has reached up to this level basically. And lots of people says that basically if earthquake is going to happen in India, by chance basically, because earthquake basically has not came in India, big earthquake basically. So it can be shift to to Himalaya only basically. That is the only place basically. But in Gujarat basically there is no mountain basically. Few people says that there are many mountains here in Gujarat also basically. That UP people basically started arguing basically. They say that basically in Karnataka also basically mountains basically are there. Why basically we are using Uttar Pradesh? So situation is like this basically. Few people say that you can't use basically Jammu Kashmir. Then all Jammu Kashmir basically taken the talwar and told that basically we are anti-Muslims. We basically not allow Uttar Pradesh groups basically here. Because we can't give our entire Kashmir on the name of UP. Just taking as an example. Why? Because Himalaya mountain is in near around UP, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh and Delhi. And Vadodara city says that basically, sorry, we can't give here basically. If our Vadodara city will get small earthquake also, no, there is one a gas agency company basically in Gorwa basically. If it will get earthquake, na basically, entire Vadodara city will get and just within 1 second basically. Just within 1 second basically. There are that kind of chemicals basically in that Gorwa area basically. If that will get blast, then basically this video basically watched by America basically. They told that basically how that is possible here. We want to check basically because it might possible that that chemical basically might end America also. Because America is America, they checks each and every country basically where is the dangerous equipment basically which has kept. So America basically will check the Gorwa area after watching this video. But earthquakes are earthquake basically, because 55 country basically data is getting processed, and earthquake basically data is going to dump in any of the country basically. So assume that basically it is India country basically. Possibilities I am taking because there are 50 countries basically. In 50 countries basically mostly 80 percentage big earthquake are already given to the all 55 countries. So 20 percentage is now basically it's in India. So that 20 percentage we are going to see in next video. How basically the UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi is going to save their states, and how basically this they are going to do this. So in next video basically we are going to see.